channel. This is Burn Designs here, and I am going to be teaching you how to edit a template that I have for you guys. The download will be in the download section of the site, so yeah, be sure to check that out. It would be located right there. It's gonna look like that. Alright, to start us off, first you're gonna go ahead and download this one right here. It's the file that I just uploaded. After you download it, you should get this. See how it says about all that? Well, first you're going to click on README. It's going to tell you how to do everything. The editor is where you would go to edit the site. If you would like to preview it, all you have to do is double click on the HTML file. It'll bring you to this. Now, these don't work because I haven't made pages for them yet, but today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. First thing you're going to go ahead and do is click on Editor, click on Composer. Should open up. Alright, then go to File, Open File. Go ahead and locate your HTML files, which would be right here. Go ahead and click on whatever you want to edit. Right now I'm just going to edit the home page. Alright, now this comes with a complete preview and allows you to edit the HTML, the source code, and yeah. Alright, first thing we're going to do is, I really don't mess with this HTML because you really don't need to. All you need to do is mess with this source code here. Now after you make a new page, you're going to go ahead and name it whatever you want to name it, and this is where you would edit. Like right here, you can change the name of it. You can put a new download link or a upload link or whatever you want. Now if you're gonna go ahead and edit inside the actual site, so like if you want to edit in here, you're gonna go ahead and go to where the P's are. You can go ahead and click F3. Should pop up with find, but I guess it's not popping up for me. Alright, well, anyways, you're going to go ahead and locate where these P's are. And you're going to go ahead and edit inside where it says, like, all this different language. You're going to go ahead and just edit whatever you want. For example, I'm going to put Burn Designs HTML file. Alright, you're going to go ahead and click Control S or File Save, and then you can preview it before you actually upload it. Now if you would like to add these pages, I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. Alright, if you want to start from scratch, you can pretty much open up Notepad++, or you can just copy this page pretty much. So you're gonna go ahead and edit whatever you want. Let's go name this HTML right here. Now this is a quick edit. You can edit the text here. You don't have to go to the source code, but I go to the source code because I like it better. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead and name this whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it HTML for this tutorials right here. You can go ahead and go to File, Save As. You're going to save it as, let's go call it tutorial dot. You're gonna add the HTML tag, which is .html. Then you're gonna go ahead and go to source. You're gonna pretty much go to where you want to add the link, and this number sign is where you would replace it. So you're just gonna go ahead and add tutorial.html. Go ahead and click Control Save. Now it works. Go ahead and click Preview. and of course it doesn't work in the preview, so you're gonna go ahead and go back and then click on index, and then now it comes up with your site. All you gotta do is click on HTML, and it should take you to HTML page, which it's not doing. Let's go figure out the problem here. I'm gonna go ahead and go just rename, control copy. I'm gonna go ahead and go here and just pretty much control V to paste. Then you're gonna add the .html, control save, index again, or I believe this is in the index. Oh, I see what I did. Alright, well, right now we're in the HTML file, so it's not going to link to it. You're going to go ahead and open up the file again, go to your index, go to source code, and then you're going to go ahead and redo this .html, control save, and now whenever you refresh, it should take you to your HTML. Now you can also link, I've already linked it, but if you want you can change the link up here. Like I've already linked it to the home page, so all you gotta do is click on it and it takes you to the home page. But yeah, that's pretty much how to edit this thing. If you're more advanced, then you already know what to do. And right here, most people get confused on what this is. All this is a space. This is HTML for space. And H3 is a resize pretty much. All it does is change the size of the pretty much text right here. Instead of putting font size, like for example, instead of putting H3, you can put font size equals 12, which is really big actually, so I'm gonna change it to 5. Go ahead and close that. Add HTML. Go ahead and close your font tag. Control save. See how it adds it really big? Well, you don't have to do that. Instead of adding the font size, all you gotta do is add H1, H2, H3, and I'm pretty sure you got H5 or H4 too. So yeah. And if you don't download, if you're not gonna use this composer here, you can always use regular Notepad, which is really confusing. Let's go do that right now. File, open, text document, all files. That's the other one. Don't want that one. We want sidebar. Let's go ahead at the index page. Now this is all pretty much the same. Only difference is you don't have a preview, you can't quick edit, you have to manually edit here. Another thing you can use is what I use, Notepad++, which would, not sure where I put that. Let's just open it up here. Notepad++. And it should pop up with all these numbers on the side, and then it doesn't give you a preview, but it shows you like the listings, the numbers, everything more organized than in Notepad. Then you can also change your language to, like, for example, C++, CSS. And this is really good if you're trying to edit CSS, by the way. Yeah, that's about it for this. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Goodbye.